Many of my students today ask me how to add seeds, nuts, olives, anything on sourdough bread. And I always explain there is three ways. The proper way, the lazy way, and my way. I'm gonna share with you today quickly. So the lazy way is just to introduce everything together at the beginning of the mixing, water, flour, starter, all together. You add the olives, mix, just be aware those elements, the olives will go through the gluten net and they won't allow a good overspring. So expect a little bit more dense bread. You know, as I always say, if you're aware, that's totally fine. More denser bread, you still enjoy it. Then there is my way. What I prefer to do is after the 3 stretch and fold that I usually do with my recipe, I let rest the dough for half an hour and do the lamination, which is just spreading the sourdough bread on a bench, a thin layer, then you add the seeds and nuts or whatever you like, then you close and fold like a book, and then you repeat this process and you shape the bread. This is a good way to introduce anything that you like in sourdough without too much complication. And then there is the proper way, which is the proper way to do it, which if you prefer like introducing seeds, you should roast them and then soak them in hot water. This will prevent them to absorb the water in your dough. But again, don't stress too much on this. Be easy, get your bread done. I would suggest using my way. After the third stretch and fold, lamination, add the seeds and nuts or whatever you like and enjoy your sourdough bread. Ciao belli! If you like this video, follow me and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao belli!